Just got home from class. Got the Bojangles already. About to grub this up, pack up, do a couple tasks, and then deuce out of here. It's lit. Okay, now that we got everything packed, oh god, this thing is ginormous. We're gonna carry as many bags as we can. So we don't have to make another trip, and we're gonna exit. Woo! Here we go. Ah, this thing is hurting my shoulder bad. Ah. Done. Martha, what are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Hey, girl. Love you, Martha. Alright, back in Greenville, picking up Jeremiah. Speak of the devil. Right now we're running around taking pictures of parking lots for some of Jeremiah's assignments. Stupid. What? What? Jeremiah, what are we doing? Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Got a picture of that. And I think the parking lot manager will get a picture of that. What are we doing? I need to take a picture of the parking lot. Of that? Yeah. That. Okay. We get it, you vape, okay? What? No. Oh yeah. It feels good outside today.
It does. East Carolina's beautiful campus with all the construction going around. You know?
East Carolina
Construction
sucks.
University.
East Construction University.
Parking sucks.
Yep, this sidewalk is beautiful.
Oh.
Mama raised us right. I don't think they wanted anybody getting in this.